Hi, Mark. So, ito yung SM natin or the Standard Operating Manual. So, this is an empty draft. Along with the empty draft, it's with DAD rather, na empty draft kasi wala rin silang SOM from last term. Now, ano nga ba gagawin niya SOM? So, the SOM or the Standard Operating Manual is the manual that streamlines kung ano yung jurisdiction ng kada department. With this, lahat ng red, ito yung mga i-fill out at mga naka-yellow na highlight. So for example, nakalagay dito, this department consists of insert divisions. What you're gonna do at the legal department is going to highlight it and enter the comment. Dapat kada division, dapat may description din sila for the division. Kasi kailangan natin maging specific talaga with everything. Kasi this is the guideline or the parang walkthrough ng department natin. Each department rather. So for example, ito, request process, request submission, all parties that request the expertise of the department must provide the details and information at least 1 week prior notice to the deadline. Notice prior to the deadline. Yung yellow na to, you're going to highlight it, add a comment, and correct it. Kunyari, 1 week is not enough for you. Gusto nyo 2 weeks. Just say 2 weeks. Ganyan. Ganyan lang gagawin ninyo. Lahat yan, lahat ng mga naka-yellow. Ito naman for this one, since blank siya, just ganyan, highlight the blank part, and add a comment. Ano bang jurisdiction ni legal? So the legal department handles all legal documents of the FEU Central Student Organization, and ganyan. Ano yung exemptions ng jurisdiction ninyo? Lagay nyo. Again, you need to be specific with this, kasi hindi pwedeng hindi specific. Now, for the scope of responsibilities, officer in charge. Anong ginagawa ni officer in charge sa loob ng DAD? Kailangan specific to. Anong ginagawa ni director? Anong ginagawa ni AD? Anong ginagawa ni EXCOM? Kailangan specific to. Standard approval flow. Do you follow the chain of command ba or do you have a specific chain of command ba? Leave a comment. Absence protocol. Etong mga extra to, you need to specify ilang oras. For example, kung si OIC nyo ba nawala, ilang oras siya dapat nawawala na si director na yung magdedesisyon para sa department. Ganon. Si with associate director, ilang oras nawala si director bago si associate director na ang magtatrabaho ng trabaho ng director. And ayun lang siya. Leave a comment lang talaga. And ano namin yan. Kami na magpo-format, kumbaga. Yun lang naman.